So here's an ad for an accounting firm, and as you can see, it's completely different to every other ad you'll ever see for an accountant. And in the resources that go with this video, you'll find a copy of this ad so you can have a look at it close up. But it just says, warning, don't call any accountant until you read this. So anybody who's thinking of getting their taxes done or who's got any kind of accounting issues, this ad's going to pull them up in their tracks and they're going to want to read it. And it goes through and it says not all accountants are the same. In fact, we're willing to bet you've never been to an accountant like us before. And then it goes through a heap of different bullet points that are all focused on the outcome the customer's going to get when they go and see this accountant. You get a warm welcome. They'll take the time to ferret out every single deduction. They don't have a boardroom anywhere because a lot of accounting firms are stuffy and everyone's walking around in suits, and it just puts people off. If you're not a suit wearing person, you feel uncomfortable in that kind of environment. They'll always return your calls before the end of the next working day. A lot of accountants just never call you back. People have had that experience, so they don't want that anymore. They tell you that you'll always understand every single thing they tell you because they'll take the time to explain it in plain, everyday English. If you have a business, they'll give you user-friendly reports that you can understand so that you'll be able to know where your business is rather than just getting reams of data that don't explain what your financial position is. And best of all, if you're not convinced that our services are the most helpful, the easiest to deal with, the most pleasant, in fact, the best you've ever experienced, we'll insist on refunding every single cent of your money. No problem at all. So an accountant that gives you a money back guarantee. So you know, by calling this accounting firm, they're probably going to go out of their way to treat you really well because they're not going to want to give you a refund. So they're putting themselves on the line here. It's very rare to find any business, let alone an accounting firm, that will do that. And then you'll see they've got an offer at the end. For a free meeting about how we can save you at least 20% more on your tax bill, call now and then you just call the phone number. And down at the bottom it says, free report reveals the 7 legal loopholes that can save you hundreds or thousands of dollars on your tax bill every single year. To download your free copy, visit our website, and then you can go to their website and download a free copy of the report, and then you would get onto their database, their email database, and they'd be able to send you all kinds of helpful information. If you have a business, they'd be able to send you business building information. If you're an employee, they could send you all kinds of other tips. So they're building a database of people from this customer outcome focused ad. As I said, just look in the resources and there'll be a copy of this ad that you can go and look at it in more detail.